Investigators have confirmed alcohol was aboard the pleasure boat that crashed in Palm Valley Sunday, leaving 5 people dead and 9 injured. The 22-foot Crown Line pleasure boat left the Concourse Marina Resort Sunday before hitting a moored 25-foot tugboat on the Intercoastal Waterway around 7:15. Tuesday, workers removed the Crown Line wreckage. Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission spokesman Joy Hill said interviews have been conducted with those on board and are continuing as a reconstruction of the accident is created. Hill said the boat's speed, positions of those on board, who was operating the craft, visibility, and other factors are still being gathered. The Crown Line has a maximum occupancy rating of 12, according to the company's website. Federal and state investigators said they expect to spend a week or more piecing through the wreckage. The victims were friends. Several of them grew up in California and had moved to Florida. For much more on this story, see Wednesday's Times-Union and Jacksonville.com. For Jacksonville.com, I'm Bill Bortsfield.